Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva apps and templates for marketing step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Canva website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. If you already have an account, click on log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. On the left side, look for the apps section. Click on Apps to explore available integrations. You will see a variety of apps that enhance your Canva experience. Scroll through the options to find apps suited for marketing. Click on any app to view its details and functionalities. If you want to install an app, click the Install or Use button. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation process. Now, navigate back to the Canva dashboard. Next, click on the Templates tab on the left side. Use the search bar to find marketing templates. Type keywords related to your marketing needs. Browse through the displayed templates. Click on any template that catches your eye. You will be taken to the template editing page. Customize the template as needed. Modify text, images, and colors to fit your brand. Once satisfied, click the download button to save your design. You can also share it directly from Canva to your social media platforms. Repeat these steps for any additional apps or templates. Now you are ready to enhance your marketing efforts with Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.